Hey guys, Francois with Mass Project. I'm very excited today. I ended up spending money yesterday online. I bought some cabinet on the Home Depot website. So today I'm gonna go get those. So what I'm doing right now, installing two 6-foot cabinet right here, both 36 inches wide, so 3 feet. Over here I'll have a workbench, 52 inches with the hardwood top. Two more cabinets, 6 foot high right there. I don't know how many bins. I've ordered some like 30 of them overall. All bins to be able to store stuff on top there instead of having those boxes and everything that falls off whenever you try to grab something. Plus, on this side here, two more cabinet, the 6 foot tall one. Whoops. And right here, same toolbox, 52 inch, plus 2 wall cabinet on top. Can't wait to go get those and get those installed. So we'll see you then. All right, pretty hard to get some stuff at Home Depot right now, but the good thing is I finally got my cabinet and I've rented a nice little van from Home Depot. Finally got it in. It was quite an adventure here. Couldn't find the stock. It was hidden in the back warehouse. But finally, we got it all. Look at this. It's all full, all packed. Two nice toolbox as a workbench. 6 wall cabinets, 6 foot high. I got one wall mount cabinet here. I'm missing one. And I got those storage bins to put all parts. Look at this. Full truck.
4 to 6 days later.
All right, it's cleanup day. Cleanup day.
Let's go. Let's do it.
Charlie is with us. He's gonna give us a hand.
Gotta pay back.
I ended up bringing 2 U-Haul truck in here, moving another garage, so that's a lot of stuff. So let's clean this. We got our first cabinet together. Pretty easy to put together. I would say it probably took about 25-30 minutes to do. It's very solid. Nice, 3 nice shelf in there. There's a lock also on it. 2 funny boys.
Hello.
And here at the back, it's all Allen screws. There's 5 panels at the back. Put it together. Side panel are one piece. So, next one now. Will's doing a good job putting everything in shelf. So those 2 cabinets are in place. We've washed a wall right here. Now we're gonna head in this section there. Let's unpack this one now. Yep. Look at the nice solid top wood. Solid top wood. Alright, so this one we'll have to rip off the box on one end. Like this. Yeah. No. All right. Look at this.
It's already all built.
Yeah. The only thing we need to do is install the wheel on it.
Looks pretty easy.
Will's installing the shelf.
Yeah.
Charlie's unpacking the next one. Putting stuff in line. Go, Charlie.
We're going, man. We're going. All left.
All cabinets are almost assembled. Still have a couple of screws on this one. Now, We're gonna remove those 2 cabinets from there, remove all those this equipment, and we're gonna put 2 cabinets in this area, 1 toolbox right there. But before this, we're gonna clean the floor. Let's go, Charlie. You can do it.
Gotta keep going here.
Made some room over here. Honestly, I was thinking we were making some room in here, but it looks like we have not much room here. Well, whoa, Charlie, what's happening here? Okay, it's all good.
Okay. Trying to make room to the table over there.
Bring the table. So all the 6-foot cabinets are assembled. The 2 chests are done. So it takes a lot of room, but shortly it's gonna be nice. All right, table.
That's why I repaired the doorway.
All right. So for now, this stuff is going on this table. Cleaning the floor. You can do it. We got all our stuff up there. Now cleaning the floor in this area. And then we're gonna but we're gonna place all the tools, all the stuff that goes against the wall. All right, this is all clean. Great. Now, we're gonna move the Buick. 1980 Buick, Regal, 350N. Hasn't run for 15 years. So, let's make some room and clean this area. All right, we've moved the Buick. It's there. It's been a long time since I have seen the car with nothing around. Will, what are you doing?
I'm rinsing the floor.
Washing the floor?
Yeah.
Putting water?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Now let's put soap.
One more scoop.
So we're gonna move those cabinets right here. Okay. Go, 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 Will. You can do it. Spent, I would say, a day and a half, very intense, doing the work here. We got a lot done, but we're not done. It takes a long time. All right, we need to make some room in the garage. So the Buick is going in storage right now. So we'll have room to work on the 944 and the Z28. So let's bring that in storage. It's been 2 weeks since we've done any work in the garage. So we still need to do all this area here, this shelving, and put those 4 cabinets together. All right, it's doing good. We pretty much have all this area done. Still missing some wood boards for these because the studs are misaligned. So I want them aligned with the toolbox. So we're gonna clean this area and it's gonna be the other half, and then we're gonna be done.
Let's do it.
Go. One last stretch to do. We only have this section here to clean. A couple things to find a place where it goes, and we're done. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, go. We're done. Almost. 98%. It was quite a job. We spent 4 days on this. The nice thing is the shop is clean and it's nice. A lot better. We have room to work. So let's take a tour around. So look at this, those nice cabinets right there. All clean, the floor is clean. We've wiped the hoist also. All clean, sandblast in the corner there. The beds. Something I still need to do is, I still have those wood board in there. I need to do some grills for the drains. Yeah, some like this. We have this toolbox right here, the cabinets, some cabinets here. We have the bench grinder. That's the hitch for my Toyota. Stuff selling on Marketplace, waiting for pickups. This cabinet's gonna go on the wall right there. Missing lag bolts. This toolbox, a lot of sorting to do in there. This bolt rack. We need to hang this on the wall, and you see all those bags of bolts right there?
Yeah.
You see? You know what's...
No.
You'll be putting all those bolts in the proper location, and the box there, it's full of Ziploc too. So that's gonna be a lot of work. All right, oh, that's for the Camaro. And those cabinets here, open those doors. So we got the welding stuff here. Buffer for the cars, welding stuff. Got my sandblast sand, my glass bead right there. What do we have here? Miscellaneous stuff on top there. Some O-rings, cutter pins, anything for cleaning. This is pretty much all body shop stuff that we have here. And open the top drawer here. So we took a bit of time putting the wrench extensions in there. Still some work to do. Still have some wrench on top here. We need to sort all those sockets. Still have a lot of stuff in there.
You got the hammers.
Some hammer there, but still a hammer here.
Yeah.
So we'll have to figure out the way to do it. Those are
You're not sure?
extra wrenches. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, those are all the wrenches. I bought some wrench from somebody. And what about this one here? Open those doors. Look at this. Miscellaneous paint for everything. Plasti dip, transmission oil, differential oil, coolant oil, water. That's my used oil and coolant that I have here. Brake cleaner, lubricant, engine shampoo, miscellaneous stuff here, some rags. So this is good. We are very happy with the result. So
Don't forget to share and like the video.
Click the bell and subscribe. We'll see you soon.
thanks. What was this? Home Alone. All right. Do we bring the cars in?
Okay.
Might as well do it.
I drive it.
No, you don't drive the car.
Oh. Oh, we don't bring them in.
Yeah, I'm gonna drive the car.
Okay.
But soon you'll try.
Okay.
Okay. Cars are ready to go.